Hi everyone, again, welcome back to our last maths meeting of the week. You've been doing really well, so keep up the good work, we're nearly there. I want to make sure that you've got something to write with and something to write on, because you know we like to write down the answers as we're going along. It's really helpful. So if you don't have those things, please go and get them and then come back to join us. So you know the first thing we're doing is going to the days of the week song, so that we know our days of the week really well, and we know the order that those days go in. So make sure you sing along with me. Days of the week, 7 days. Days of the week, 7 days. There's Monday and there's Tuesday. There's Wednesday and there's Thursday. There's Friday and there's Saturday. And then there's Sunday too. Days of the week, 7 days. Days of the week, 7 days. Great singing. Well done, all of you. I want you to pause the video now and I want you to sing that song again to yourself. Okay, so we can use our song to help us work out the answers to these questions. The first question is, what day comes after Saturday? Have a little think. What day comes after Saturday? If you're not sure, sing the days of the week song to yourself to work out the answer. Well done, the answer is Sunday. It goes Saturday and then Sunday. That's the weekend and they're my favourite days of the week. Maybe you agree too. The next question is, what day comes before Wednesday? So the key word here is before. We don't want the day that comes after Wednesday. You need to think of what day comes first before Wednesday. Well done, the answer is Tuesday, because it goes Tuesday and then Wednesday. And the last question is, what day comes in between Thursday and Saturday? You need to think of the day that's in between those two other days. Sing the song to yourself if you're not sure. If you do know, then write it down on your paper. Fantastic, it's Friday. It goes Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. I want you to look over those answers and say the days of the week to yourself again, because it's really important that you know what order the days come in. Okay, now we are on to our number bonds to 10 rap. I want you to sing along, say these number bonds with me. 9 and 1, we've just begun. 8 and 2, I need the loo. 7 and 3, climb the tree. 6 and 4, tap the floor. 5 and 5, we stay alive. 10 and 0, number bond hero. Okay, well done. Now, I want you to pause the video and I want you to say this rap to yourself again or to anyone else that's in the house with you, so that you know your number bonds really well, because we're going to be using them in the next slides. Well done. So now we have got Bo's bonds. And Bo has got his part whole model. We know that the part is 6. We know the whole is 14, but we are missing that other part. So I want you to pause the video and I want you to write down what you think the missing part is. Fantastic, it's 8. So the part is 6, the other part is 8, and the whole is 14. Let's see if you can write down on your paper the subtraction that goes along with this part whole model. Fantastic, it's 14, subtract 6 equals 8. Now I want you to see if you can write the addition that goes along with this part whole model. Well done, 6 add 8 equals 14. So we know our part is 6, our other part is 8, and our whole is 14. I want you to say that to yourself now, so that you know it really well. Brilliant work, year 1, well done. So now we have done Bo's bonds, we are ready to go to what Noah knows. Let's see what Noah knows. He has got a part whole model too, but his looks slightly different to Bo's. One of the parts is 8, the other part is 16, and the whole is 24. So if I know that 8 add 6 equals 14, then I know that 8 add 16 equals 24. We're adding another 10. Let's use that part whole model to help us answer the number sentences, because we can see here that some of the numbers are missing. So the first one is 16 add something equals 24. I want you to write down that number sentence and see if you can find what the missing number is. Well done, it's 16 add 8 equals 24. Great work. Now we've got another one, and this one says 8 add something equals 24. Pause the video, write down the number sentence, including the missing number. Brilliant work. 8 add 16 equals 24. Now we've got 24 subtract 8 equals something. Remember, you can use the part-to-part whole model to help you work out the answer. Pause the video and write down what your answer is. It's 16, so 24 subtracts 8 equals 16. And the last one, something subtracts 16 equals 8. Write down the number sentence and your answer, and let's see what you got. Well done! 24 subtract 16 equals 8. You did really well. I want you to have a look over those again, and let's see if you can do this challenge. I want to see if you can write the next 4 number sentences. So that's 2 additions and 2 subtractions. But this time I want you to put the answer at the beginning of the number sentence. So pause the video and have a go at doing that. Now we are on to Shea's shapes, and Shea has got all of her 2D shapes here. So have a look over all of them, remind yourselves of them because you're going to be solving a problem next. Okay, so Shea says, I am thinking of a 6-sided shape. All of its edges are equal in length. What shape am I thinking of? What is the name of a 6-sided shape that has got all of its edges that are equal in length? Have a think of that now. And then check over the shapes that we've got here just to make sure your answer is correct. Look for a shape that's 6-sided and all the edges are equal in length. Well done, it's a hexagon. Hex at the start of the word sounds a bit like 6. That might help you sometimes. So it's a hexagon. Say that word to yourself now and have a look at the shape. Now we are on to what's the weather today? Is it sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, snowy or stormy? What's the weather today? I want you to pause the video and then we can go and look outside our window and see what is the weather like today. The weather for me today is cloudy. I wonder what the weather is like for you today. Maybe we can find out again tomorrow and see what the weather's like tomorrow. You can do this at home. You can go and look in the morning before you come to school, before you start your schoolwork, and you can check what the weather's like and then tell somebody in your house and say, the weather today is, let's hope it's sunny because it's a bit cold today. So Patti's place value. Patti wants us to put these numbers in ascending order. Remember, ascending means to get bigger. So we're going to start with the smallest number first. The last number is going to be the biggest number. So the numbers we've got today are 17, 27, 24 and 16. Remember that the biggest number is going to be the biggest number of tens and the biggest number of ones. So have a look over these. What is the smallest number? Because we need to start on that number first. Pause the video and I want you to write down what the smallest number is. Well done for putting 16. 16 is the smallest number because it's got one 10, which is less than 27 and 24, as they've got 2 10s. And it has 6 ones, which is less than 17, which has 7 ones. Think of what the next number is going to be and write it down. Well done, it's 17. 17 comes after 16. It's getting bigger. 17 has got 7 ones, whereas 16 has got 6 ones. So 17 is bigger than 16. What's the next number going to be? It's between 27 and 24. Fantastic, it's 24. 24 has got 2 10s and it has 4 ones. So it's bigger than 17, which has only 1 10. I wonder what the last number is going to be. So far we've got 16, 17, 24. Write down the next number. Well done, it's 27. 16, 17, 24 and 27. And 27 is the biggest number because it's got 2 10s and 7 1s. 2 10s are bigger than 1 10, so it's bigger than 16 and 17. 7 1s is bigger than 4 1s, so the number 27 is bigger than 24. Say those numbers to yourself again now. Great work, Year 1. It's been really nice going through the maths meeting with you, and I hope you had a good time. And thank you for all your hard work today. I'll see you again very soon. Bye!